Good morning class 7. Let's start exercise 18.3. Your first topic is circumference of the circle. Circumference or perimeter of a circle. The distance around the edge of a circle is called the circumference of a circle. If you want to find the length of the outer boundary, then we are using the formula of circumference of circle. There are two formulas. First is 2 pi r. If radius is given, we are using 2 pi r. If diameter is given in the question, then we use the formula pi d. Pi standard value is 22/7 or 3.14. Pi is equals to 22/7 or 3.14. Now move to the next topic, that is area of circle. The measure of the region enclosed inside the circle. For example, this is a circle. You want to find the measure of this region, this whole region inside the circle, that is your area. Area is denoted by A, and formula of area is A is equals to pi r square. Now next is what is radius? Radius is a twice of what is diameter? Diameter is a twice of the radius. If in any question you want to find the area of the circle and in the question it is given diameter, then first we find the radius so that we are able to find the area of the circle. So what is the formula of radius of radius? That is diameter divided by 2. Radius is the half of the diameter. If in any question diameter is given, you want to find the radius, what we will do, we will divide the diameter with 2 and we got the radius that is required in the area of circle. Now next is area of ring. What area of ring is? Circles having the same center but different radius are called the concentric circles. These circles having the same center but radius is different, these type of circles are known as concentric circles, and the region enclosed between two concentric circles of different radii is called the area of the ring. To find the area of this shaded region, we are using the formula pi r square minus small r square, capital R square minus small r square, area of big circle minus area of small circle. From there pi is common, we got the answer pi r square minus r square. Now move to exercise 18.3. First question is, if the circumference of circle is 220, find the diameter. Circumference is already given 220 meter. We want to find the diameter, so we will use the formula pi d. Pi value is 22/7. Shift 7 and 20 to other side. After doing the cutting, we got the answer 70 meter. And next is find the area of circle. To find the area of circle, we need radius. As we discussed earlier, to find the radius, we will divide the diameter with 2. Radius will be 35 meter, and then we use the area of circle pi r square. Pi r value is 35. Replace the value. After solving, we got the answer 3850. Now next question is, the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square. Find its circumference. This question is very important. In this question, area is given. We want to find the circumference. First of all, with the help of formula of area of circle, we will find the radius. Then that radius will be used to find the circumference of circle. So first use the formula of area of circle. By using the given values, we find the radius. Radius is 7 centimeter. Now use this radius in the circumference. If radius is given, we will use 2 pi r. If diameter is given, then we will use pi d. After cutting, we got the answer 44 centimeter. Now move to question number 3. From a circular sheet of a radius 6 centimeter, a circle of 4 centimeter is removed. Like here, this whole complete is a 6 centimeter circle. We are going to remove 4 centimeter circle. It means we want to find the area of shaded region. This is a figure of a ring. So area of ring is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. It means radius area of big circle minus area of small circle. In this question, we find the area of big circle, that is pi capital R square. R, capital R is given. Here capital R is 6 centimeter and small r is 4 centimeter. Replace the value. Don't replace the value of pi, that we will put at the last. If you want to replace here, you can replace. Find the area of small circle. Area of remaining sheet is area of big circle minus area of small circle. Answer is 20 pi. Now replace the value of 22/7. Multiply it with 20 and then divide with 6. You will your answer is 62.86. Now move to question number 4. The diameter of a wheel is 40 centimeter. Diameter of wheel is given 70 centimeter. How many times the wheel will revolve in order to cover a distance of 110 meter? So diameter is given in the centimeter, but the other information distance cover is given in the meter. So first of all, write the diameter of a wheel, that is 70 centimeter. If wheel is revolving, we are consider only outer boundary. So in this case, we will find circumference of circle. If your wheel is revolving, you are consider only outer boundary. So to find the length of outer boundary, we are using the circumference of circle. In that case, first we find the radius. You can directly use here pi d formula also. Even then your answer remains same. After that, your circumference is 220 centimeter. Now total distance is given in the meter. So to change circumference into meter, we will divide it with the 100, as we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 over 100 meter. Then number of revolutions will be total distance divided by circumference. After dividing, we got the answer 50. It means 50 times the wheel will be revolved. Now move to question number 5. In question number 5, ratio of two wheels is given. Find the ratio of their circumference and area. So two different radius is given. Write it small r and capital R. Ratio is given 5:7. So we write it as r over r, that is 7/5. To find the ratio of circumference of first circle, this is your first circle and this one is your second circle. First circle divided by second circle, 2 pi r over 2 pi r, 2 and pi cut, r over r is left. It means ratio of their circumference is also 5:7. To find the ratio of area, this is your second part. To find the ratio of area, we will write pi r square over pi r square, pi cut, square will be written as a whole square. Then replace the value of r over r, that is r over r is 5/7. Replace it here. 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49. This is your required ratio. Till here complete your sums. Note it down in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a good day.